I'm glad you're here today because we are making this luscious butterscotch cheesecake. First you need to line your cake pan. You're going to make the crust. It's gluten-free. Just press this together like cookie dough. Press it into the bottom of your pan. And then you're going to bake it at 350. And turn your attention to the butterscotch. You're going to have to strain it out because there'll probably be some crystals in it. But look how gorgeous. Smooth and sexy. Now you're going to make your cheesecake batter. And blend your cream cheese and then add the wonderful butterscotch sauce in 3 additions. Don't be like me. Put a wet towel down so your bowl doesn't run all over the place. Look at that batter. I'm going to bake it in a water bath at 325 until it looks like this. And then we've got a double boiler. We're making Swiss meringue. So now I'm just whipping the whites and the dark brown sugar with a pinch of salt. I might put a little vanilla in it. Whipping them together over a double boiler. I'm going to be checking the temperature occasionally, and I want to cook this, stirring the whole time until it reaches about 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it reaches temperature, we're going to whip it on high until it's completely cool and super, super fluffy and meringue. Perfection. Just plop it on top of your cake and then make it swoopy. Use your torch to brown it, or do it under the broiler in the oven. Either way, you're going to want to make this cake. It is some kind of delicious. Thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please consider rating, commenting, and subscribing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.